Hello.
Hi.
So should we start?
Yeah, Jenny, we already started. Some some discussion because we have nothing to not much to discuss. We didn't work on a bulk IP of science last meeting, and there are still some pull requests. Main one is a backward compatibility. It's backport for 2.2, which is still open. And
Yes, for that pull request, I don't have much update. I did initial code review and it looks fine. So I'm trying to porting them to the branch and start testing. So the main thing which currently left is to do a testing, how it will work and will it work.
Good. Okay. Yeah, that's generally all. The Alex, the Sasha, he has some questions related to the topic with, can you remind me? Give me a second.
Issue 23. Oh, issue.
Yeah, 23, correct. Pull request 23.
Pull, yeah.
Add support for topic schema defined as service name, method name.
Okay.
Alex, can you explain the?
Yeah, I will send you a link to the commit in chat. So main problem in your questions that consumer doesn't support topic request type method, but generally issue that topics which have return type is always a synchronous topic and not asynchronous. So I think we need to add a new attribute for topic XCD schema is synchronous.
Okay, so you are saying that we don't use topics defined as service name service method as asynchronous.
I tell that topic defined as service method is always synchronous, and in our implementation we force change this value to false. And because of this, publishing consumer works fine with our topics.
Okay. So one problem with that was that if you change it through just on the level of bulk API, like you did in the service reader, then if you send such message by passing bulk API, for example, directly using mass scheduler, then you will still hit the same situation that you are not able to process the topic. Like you're not able to deserialize the message. I think that's the next question, how we actually make the topic asynchronous. So Alex, Polaris, do you have comments regarding making additional attribute for binding?
I suppose we can discuss it offline and then decide. So we need to evaluate it.
So what's your initial thoughts?
So it should be possible, but we need to make sure that we will not introduce any like backward compatibility issues or inconsistency.
Okay, so you can document that decision there.
So where do you want to document it?
Somewhere maybe in the task or write some small wiki article.
I'm not sure about wiki article, but yes, we can probably just try to comment in the issue.
Okay, so yeah, Alex, we will come back regarding how we can make those topics asynchronous, but generally sounds like it makes sense to have schema define a service name, service method name, and have them asynchronous. To me, it should be possible.
Okay.
Yep, sounds cool. Yep, generally that's for now, I guess all from update. I also working on the documentation for bulk API with Kevin. We are moving forward. We covered already the documentation for endpoints, like for REST documentation, and there is left the technical part. So there was like 5 articles planned, and now 1 from those 5 is done and 4 left. So I will work on this next week. And yeah, when I will finish, we will merge all together. So we'll have a full documented stack for bulk, including 9 pages totally.
That's awesome. So you create a separate pull request, right?
Yeah, I created for each page separate pull request, but we already mentioned that they're connected to each other to really much, because like cross-linking. Maybe we will, when I will finish with them, we will just merge them in one, and we'll make the one big comment out of that after the whole all reviews are done. But we'll see.
Okay.
Don't know yet. Good. Yep. For now, that's all. Yep. Do you hear something from Kerry?
No, I think you mentioned that you wanted to contact
him.
him.
I contacted him. Generally, he answered me with one sentence like, "Hey, how are you?" And then after next my messages, he just didn't respond me. I guess he's quite busy with his current projects.
Yeah.
Good.
Do you want to take over the task?
Which one? What do you mean?
Like you can put back to the sprint backlog
this
task.
The Swagger task. I would leave. Good question. Let's unassign it for now. Let's leave it open, and yeah, we'll see then how we'll proceed with it.
Okay, cool.
Does it like this? Cool. Then yeah, it's fine from my side. If anybody has some questions, notes. Good. Then see you in 1 week. And if you'll have a decision earlier, just send us a message.
Yeah, it should be earlier than next week.
Good. Okay. Then.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Cool. Thanks, guys.
Bye.